there, boys and girls. Dr. Carlo Ojer, Emergency Physician with the YouTube channel, the ED Exit Video. So in this video, we're going to use the larger stapler. That's the one that contains the 35 staples and it's like a gun. Basically, I'm going to show you the mechanism. As you pull on the trigger, the staple starts coming out perpendicular to the wound. And as it starts coming completely out, it gets bent until it forms almost a complete circle. This is why you can't try to just pull on the staples once it's in. You can see it right there, and almost a complete square or circle inside the wound. The advantage of this kind of gun, one, it has more staples. Number two is definitely wider staples. So when you start pushing it in, it actually pulls more of the tissue in and it slightly everts the wound on its own. Remember, as I said in the previous video, eversion of the edges is very important for proper healing and scar formation. You actually want that desired slightly warm looking skin right in between the stitches or staples that you're repairing, and this staple gun actually does that very well. The disadvantage compared to a smaller stapler is that you don't have as much control as to grab and pull. The laceration has to be together already as you pull on the trigger and the staples comes in. As you can see, it's a very quick process by which I took a very long laceration and closed it up with, 6 staples. You can see how it looks. I'm going to give you a little close-up here in just a second. And now I'm going to take them off to get it ready for the next video, in which we're going to do simple interrupted sutures. There's really no big science to this. That's why stapling is so easy, and you should try to do it whenever you can. For example, in scalps, long, linear, non-contused lacerations that the edges are nice together, you can just staple through and get done.